What up, Canafam? It's me, Hazy, and I'm back with some more CBD goodness. I have some luxury CBD today, so we're gonna get all bougie with it, and we're gonna hang out with some scrubs and some CBD terpenes. Yes, this is pure CBD terp, and it's at its finest. It's smooth, it's delicious, and we're gonna go over all of this today, so stay tuned.
Here we go.
Oh shit. This, my loves, is a detox, and it is fab-tab-mabulous. It is a salt fast type thing. It's got active charcoal in it. I put it in my bathtub. It feels so good. It just makes you relax. Really great for like de-stressing. I was a huge fan of this. It's good stuff. I'll get closer, like I said. I'm just breaking down everything that I've got in the package so far. We have a topical. We love the topicals. The topicals are the just bomb.com. This is the rub is what they call it. It smells so good. It smells like perfume. It smells, well, not like perfume, but it smells like it smells like orange juice. I'm not even kidding you. It smells like all natural. It's got a really nice tangy smell to it. It smells really good, but you can tell that everything is just like from the earth. Like, you're not getting any types of harsh chemicals or anything like that. And I think that's a big thing that's come into part with the CBD, and a lot of the nice CBD companies out there is giving us more things that aren't going to at the same time help but be detrimental to our skin. I love the fact that this seems very from the earth, and that's good for me. So I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna show you guys these different things, let you dive into it a little bit more, and then we're gonna try out these cartridges because I've been really excited about that. Here's what the LUXE terp serum is going to look like. It is packaged very nicely. You get this beautiful golden CBD serum. I mean, that is amazing. You can just tell by looking at it how delicious it is and how well made that it is, because they spend a lot of time on it. Like, the thicker and the more golden that it is, this is perfect. I'm extremely excited to try these. Detox, it's supposed to get all the nasty, gross stuff out of your body. Activated charcoal, French red clay, Hawaiian black lava salt. That just sounds so fancy. It smells freaking amazing. Like, this smells so good. As you can see, it's just like, it's very light. It's not harsh. It's not like a harsh salt, so it doesn't like hurt. It's very, very flaky, and it is just, you can tell. I opened it and smelled it and I'm relaxed, okay? So let me just put it to you that way. Like, this is amazing. I absolutely enjoyed my bath with these. It smells delicious, and it does give you that calm, relaxing, just, nothing can bother me today feeling. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go take a bath. Bye, guys. Here is the rub. This is what I was telling you about earlier. It smells kind of like tangerine-y, orange. It's got that tangy smell to it. And as you can see, it's just a solid balm-like rub. It's a topical, so it'll be really good for like sore muscles or, you know, anything that you have tension on. Like I said, it smells delicious. I'm definitely a fan of this. So I typically use this on my shoulders and my wrists and my knees, because that's where I get a lot of the arthritis from. So it has worked very well. All right, now the moment that we've all been waiting for. It is terp vape time. So I'm gonna try these. I definitely have to hand it to them. The CBD Diva has a beautiful website. They have, you know, custom health, like they will get with you and develop a custom health plan that's gonna be beneficial to you and your makeup, and like, that's awesome. You definitely want a company that's going to look out for you in your entirety and do something that's gonna be custom and beneficial to you. It's just great. You can tell that they've got a lot of science behind it. It's just, it's a luxury type brand, so it's very, very well made with very nice materials. So that was another thing that I liked about it. We all like the finer things in life. So let me get into this and try this out. I've got my terp on here. Let's give it a try. Wow. Wow, the flavor is there. It's light. You can taste the tannin. You can taste the seed. It's amazing. Like I am bewildered right now because this was just so smooth. It's not harsh. It's not artificial tasting. It's delicious and everything that it is CBD. I'm getting like a slight tangy type taste to this, but at the same time, I'm also getting like that calming, relaxing, nice kind of slight oily coat, but not too much, not overpowering, but it lets you know that you did indeed just hit CBD. So that's amazing. I am definitely a huge fan of CBD Diva. CBD Diva is, you can tell there's so much time spent on these products. They are fantastic. All the CBD for me. I love CBD because it balances me out. If I'm smoking and I'm in a sesh and someone's brought around, you know, really high sativa, I might need to hit your CBD. I may need to bring in my CBD Diva health pens now because these are great. It gives you that nice mellow calming, that equal balance. Everybody needs balance. So yeah, I'm very much partial to indicas because they mellow me. Like I'm a very high-strung person, so I get very anxious, especially around like large crowds and things like, not like we've had any of those issues lately, but you know, when we can finally go back out and be social again without the distancing, I would definitely love to bring around CBD Diva. I think it would definitely behoove me. It would keep me from getting really anxious. I just know it. Like, I know that this is gonna calm me, like cool me out. So let me open this one. Got this one opened now, and we are going to put it in this beautiful, bedazzled vape battery pen. Ooh, this one had more of like a Skittlesy candy type flavor to it. That was really good. I'm gonna set this one over to the side because I think this one is my favorite so far. I really liked the flavor of that one. These taste really good. Like, I'm a huge fan. Open! I love everything about this CBD. It is well made, it is smooth, it works, and I highly recommend it. So definitely don't miss out on your chance to check out CBD Diva Health. I've really enjoyed going over all this amazing CBD with all of you. Thank you so much for hanging out and seshing with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay lit and have a cloudy day.